Coba lawan tuh kita nggak kau mana coba main real ngai. Yes. Aku just terreak no. Satiga saci Ay. Baphulaphuli apha simamele uTencane uthi lamula inkosi yamaNdebele iyabuya but uhleli noKhayu Michaelson apha mphulaphuli uxabene kajena Khayu utheni umjonga kanje why are you looking me like that bra ingxaki zami zininzi ngingqaba zininzi kukho lo muntu uzayo Kayona uyakhumbula ngoku busithi ndiyabasela ngoku bulapha eshop ndinxibe iwax ekuseni ndoni wax lies kanti kwaseshop nekuseni axoka manje bendiyiphi mina ekuseni uzuku usendleleni man uthe uzoba late exactly uzayicacisa ngokwakhe bakuthini uzayicacisa ngokwakhe me I don't enter nzini thina silapha sizemsebenzini otherwise besinjani esa stream sokuqala hayi kodwa bese wrong besinzwembu and for the first one you're like send a shout out to umuntu boy like I said idinit denzekayo apha endlini but ebomna afuna xoxisela ngaze la nga stream zelo kakutya kuqheliza ke stream yitye ndihluthe ndigodoke khona into imbhatele mhlobo wami qha but last week bekumnandi besione jokuthola thwaxa la day it's not about uthwaxa bahlobo bami mna I am married. Qhama ngayibona iring but I am married. Aluthe was all over the place. Aluthe ayinxilile dog. Aluthe namxela week prior ba aluthe unganxili phone. An hour before 13. Yeah. An hour before 13 kuyi. John. Lala because kuseke kuzothwani kuzostrenywa ngoku. Uzokwazi uvuka fresh xa usosiza. Hayi nje yampa aluthe my dog. She's my dog too. Guess sizayithandisa. Guess sizayithandisa. Even better yazothini xa ngena uzuki John South Hey welcome to Red Cape Town Let's get down! Welcome to Suki Red Cape Town! Red Cape Town! Go 61. Asnazo sparkles. Nemo way. Abantwana bazongena bethu. Okay jonga yazi plan yami ithini ungayiphazamisa ngicela. Awuziphazamisa angina uzuki lana. Andrini ora. Kubazi nje. Ayibo. Yona fonini. Khawuyeke fonini. Dilapha ngathela nje ba kusezugram. Mamoja joma ngibona. Qwanthuli. Awuyichat away next no. Ora yami. Fine. No plan sucks. Xa fika uzuki uyathandaza. Ora yami nithini? Iora icaleni. Iora icaleni xa ifika uyathandaza. Athandaza le stream soqala as a guest. But yazi I said to you ba thandaza awafuna but ivule isinto that was nice. Happy birthday ukuthandaza kanye isinto. Abolisi the trick. I don't know buza pha ku chat ungafaki. Niyafuna ufuna ndi hlomle into engazaziyo. I just arrived in life. Ngumkhulu okanye umkhulu? Yima. Yaqale. Akhumbula ngala siqala ubhuku. But yeah, okay, explain. But it was 20 It was last year. No, it wasn't. 2023. 23. Towards the end. Towards the end. So kungena I message from Atlantis. Takhumbula because Atlantis is closer to Mama's Bay. Because sasivela ngapha kwela cala ngekela xesha. But okay. Khayu and Inkosi Amandebele, we want to combine the booking.
Sure.
Ni imali. Bathetha nawe.
Wathina
nawe.
Oh, kuza nikusele sasicreen.
Wasicreenshotela wena. Fonini ngomdala. Siyimalini.
Mamela yazi, the reason why ndandibuza lana is because ngela xesha ngabisho basenza ntoni. Sifikile kuthiwa siyabhukwa, sibhukela sofika senze ntoni. Bese safika senze ntoni pha. Babesibhukiwe ke nyani.
Ndandingaculi futhi la xesha and also unga MC wena.
And buza dibi imali ni booking.
Around that time. If I'm not even kidding. If we were taking 92K, that's right.
Yeah. Sasibaseleke nje imali encinci. Booking yamaqala azo imali 200. Booking yoqala nayifumana 200. Yakho imali
800.
Poor. Yabo, that's why umdala. 100 rand difference. Mina nambhuka 200 ngeweekend. Yo hapha ngoku.
Ndihleli eReze la xesha. Kungene le text. Isuka kutazotsha.
Yeah, my king.
Utazotsha athi kusinko semandebele celebrate birthday Ndondoni.
Ekrapho.
Leso uba MC yakuyo yasekazana.
Khanda emgidini.
To excel.
Ngawo yang industry.
Kuthiwa excel. Kukho i-birthday celebration pass funa ukubhuka. Uyimalini? Ihleli noLance. Savungela 300 grand. Wo 300.
Uphume ekrapho. Phuma from ekrapho. Yekrapho 300. Imali yobuya yeni? 300.
Transport is provided.
Okay.
So it is this 300 because at the same time asifuna uyipusha away le booking. Let's say it's the 1K and then abaleka ngasifuna.
Sure.
So she like let's secure le booking
300.
300. Got okay. Sasendela i-wallet after that kwathiwa ni dome.
Okay, ke ngoku imali
outside uzuki. Yo Lance cela ngamthatha.
Outside.
Yon. Akekatsho.
Yeah, khali. Ibla vaseline
Yon.
yakho zisi.
Yabona?
Ibla vaseline yakho zisi. Lethi yini basabubuso. Kanti khona indawo yane crackaya. Le elbows. Yey. 12. I hope ebengayibukelanga le live ngosiluyisayo.
Yani.
Khasabi ngathi andasi.
Yani.
But yeah, chat.
Hey chat.
Sakujalo.
Chat.
Usukela manje. Uyasa.
Welcome.
Yeah.
Yamkelani. Usukela mani.
Ntombi. Kazalelwa. Arrange katombi.
Wonke umuntu busy. Kwenziwa njani ithini lento? There's a lot going
Nazi
on.
camera, nazi chat ibone.
Oh, he came. This is cool though.
Cool.
Hi guys,
Explain all about why you late because uthemba ndibaxelela ba late. So can you kindly
Yilana grand entrance. He order
Oh.
grand entrance.
ukwenza the order nayo.
Nini kana kwenzile. You order. Guys, no. Delayed because man I had a long day, guys. I'm a business woman.
Betsenza ngantoni sibonile?
I will interview about me this business thing, yeah.
No business, no?
No. I'm the
Is it the
business.
business?
I think une order
Yes.
kwa Lamani family.
Yes. So that's why I'm late. I just no, I ain't gonna just one shame. I just have to do my hair and my nails, guys.
Kanibona. Sibhadala mba.
That's unani. Awukule level yami khona uyibhadalayo.
Uyathenga.
Information bar.
Okay, but bafuna OTD fast nje. Ba.
Guys,
Kanibona le pants wena suku unabo uburicho buthile wena. Kanibona.
guys, ngicube neteki yakwami.
Kazi ngibhekelela.
Oh, okay, ikhamera lapha. Okay.
Noma ngakhwele couchini. Ngoba wenzeni?
Oh, yeah.
Ba.
Okay, so I'm wearing
Usukani.
these sneakers from Batu sneakers.
Yeah.
La Andra Theo Baloine.
Shout out.
And these
Shout out Theo
jeans are
Baloine.
from the Fix.
Okay, shout out to
And this
Fix.
coat is from
Oh my God.
Please. And then this top net, the top and a set net is from Dubai. Yes, so there's a lady who has a store called Douse, but she's based in Dubai, so she sources the clothes in Dubai.
Shout out.
And
in the
the
bag.
bags from LV.
Imali in the bag.
Yeah, yes.
Cookie to for the bag.
Khona young
So okay, yabo i-chat ithini? Ithana hospitality. Amanzi buwafunile.
Ungumuntu hospitality ke lo muntu. And umuntu
But
amanzi.
bufuna amazi nyani?
Yes.
That is fair to you could have said anything.
More wet.
Can more wet. I need time. Okay, anything.
Amanzi.
I know hospitality son.
No questions asked. Siyangena.
Bamba apha Zuki.
Okay.
20 rand yami eqhubela.
Oh, these glasses are very nice, guys.
Zuki.
Cool tumblers.
20 rand yami.
Oh.
Andithathi indweni.
I appreciate
Ngilala phansi.
Oh, I appreciate the gesture, guys.
Ungayithathi imali yakuthi Zuki.
I'm quite expensive.
Uthixo uzakubona yelibathini ngawo.
I told him already 600 and 700. Kwamakho.
700 lawe?
20 rand
Iklabile mama.
2.2. What 2.2? Taste different.
Otherwise welcome Zuki. If yabo
Thanks, guys.
sibiza ngoba si stream. Yabo. Oh, Twitch lona nami zalofaka kwezwe yazi before ungene sesani glitch.
Oh.
Bon. I think we had to end all live guy 2
Niphile niqaleni.
because Wi-Fi yethu
Iyaleka.
without wena.
Yes. I love that. Aura. Type kaZuki. Type yam guys.
Khobaxele.
Type yam ngintwana na type. Mana type mna yas.
Umfana on kanti umfana onjani?
Umfana on.
Jan.
On.
Jana lo.
Umfana on ke sala and andiyazi man.
Would you say mina no yona si on?
Ewe. Ewe.
Ufuna sifika mnandi.
No.
Ufuna sifika mnandi.
No, me on, honestly.
Okay, kuthini ba on?
Kuba right man. Kuba ne on. Okay guys, i-type yam.
Uyayibalisa.
Okay, imandi ndifuna ucinga i-type yam umuntu onjani. Okay, number 1, andimfuni umfana ophapayo. Andimfuni kakubi umfana ophapayo.
What is upapa bo conversational?
Not even to be conversational, like have a conversation with ngumfana ongaphaphiyo. Uyazi ba ngumfana ongaphaphiyo i-type yam. Andimfuni umfana ophapayo.
Noba unemali akwayanani.
And you understand?
Noba unayimali ingxaki mina guys andibaselekanga imali ne andikhulekanga that poor. Even like at some point I had access to money. So like growing up, so imali it's not a wow factor in my life. So 200 million, I was on this shit in papel and 200. I'm telling you, Naz.
Million.
Awunofuna nokuphaphela eDubai ke mhlawumbe.
No.
Okanye Italy.
Nabo bebeyosela i-KK eDubai, beyotya i-KK eDubai ngenxa yemali, ngenxa bafuna ba-on kubo.
Suthi i-KK kaka.
Andimfuna umfana.
So at least ba kaphaphi. Ungabuthetha kakhulu xa ufika endaweni ufuna
age-wise ye-type yakho. I can't do anything less than 30.
Hayi. 29, 28.
I'm 27. So I can't do anything
No, but it's in down.
Yeah, nice. But I can't do anything less than 30, and I certainly cannot do anything beyond 90.
So anything between 30 and
9.
lower than 90.
Usemncinci kakuba umfana ona 6.
I always thought u-30
Usaze ngobuso kaloku elizweni umfana ona 6.
Umdala para akomdala.
so it's cause elifini kukho abantu abazoyi
Ingxaki ibheko guys. Yebo leyo nto yase Eastern Cape umkhulu ungathi sifunda indaba like
Unazi lana?
I do.
Nana kubona ukuthi uyezilalini.
Of course, because ndaphumela.
ngibona sekunstyle wayicofa imvalo.
No babe. Ndaphumela lena ndiyaphuma ezintweni.
Like we see the girl full.
Yes. Because at the time ndangihlala ezilalini sasihlupheka. Well, zange ndahlala elalini, obo ndahlala elokushini. But sasiye ezilalini like on holidays, right? So the minute I moved out of Eastern Cape, ndamuva out ngengqondo. Yeah, even in time. Because sasihlala Eastern Cape, sasingekho well off. Not that like now we are these incredibly rich.
Like nani like umzekelo.
Like for instance, this other time kwangekho caba imali eswekile and then umama mosibane like bayakhonza. So upapi at the time ayekabi nabandla wayese like ngumdikoni like ekhonza. So now cabakho mali ye yelantuka yeswekile. So this one lo msamari yongcwele afike endlini athi yo nishota ngantoni mele bashota ngeswekile. This is a true story. And it was like 20 rand ne, and then yenga kana leswekile. The way Mama prayed that night, I was like, I fucking hate poverty. Like, they were screaming, praying, like, yo, Mama, say, get me around your second. I hate it, Mama. Mama.
That's the only childhood thing that you have. You're like, yeah, I fuck with.
No, another because I've got an aunt. Come on, so she's 28, I'm 27, right? So we grew up like twins. So sasfunde no bantu primary school, and then now we're going to the zoo. The zoo was free, but saspatha imali. No, has got grade 2, 1, 2. Then saspatha imali, but figure zoo sitenge. And then sapati 2 rand 50, and then Kamani had 2 1 rands, the 50 cent. So she had 3 monies, and then when I had a 2 rand coin, the 50 cent. So I had 2 coins. Sure. So then Kamani had 3 coins. I had 2. We fought. Because I thought she had more money than me. We fought. That's poverty. Poverty, right? I didn't understand. That's not funsekanga, exactly.
But that is crazy.
Yeah, so that's why. Nestutu. I fucking hate Stutu. Let me tell you things that I hate. I hate Stutu. I hate pilchard. Like
macaroni.
No, macaroni is fine. What else do I hate? I think peanut butter. Yes, of course. It's got a memory. Yes, too. Jam. Absolutely, I don't eat jam as well. Yes. What else do I eat in Kumbuza? Poverty. Igatsby. Igatsby. Like was like exciter. Like go get us poor. Like do not Igatsby.
Wasn't
Igatsby was the thing. I don't eat it. And also Igatsby is just I don't think I ate is that rice.
Chicken chunks.
Chicken chunks. I don't know. Probably. Imovite. I actually enjoy Imovite. Funny enough. Vaseline is on the live. Hey Vaseline. It's the brand Vaseline. Hey Vaseline, how you doing, Vaseline? I know Vaseline.
Oh, Vaseline.
Oh,
Vaseline.
Hey.
Hey. Zudana. But now you put in the guitar. I just eat.
Shout out Vaseline in the chat.
Shout out Vaseline in the chat.
It was so
nails. I just was
yes, up until this age, and guys, the chair maintenance.
Why?
Am I a failure?
Yes, you are definitely 100%. You're a failure. That's one thing for sure. That's one thing for sure. You're a failure, and you're a failure. That's one thing for sure. Number 3, awunasiphatho. Number 4, again. Number 5,
okay.
I don't have the capital means. We are born in Lala Park. Uncontrollable.
My question is that doesn't deserve love.
No. Same thing to Obando doesn't deserve children.
Guys, wait.
Let's just
give me walk with me. It's Jolo, no lover. Are 2 different things. A relationship and loving someone are 2 different things. When you decide to be in a relationship with someone you love, you assume the responsibilities of being a provider. Must be men must be patriarchy, must be a leader relationship. So you must have financial capital.
What about you?
I'm gonna submit submission. I'll submit. Alright, you're a failure, yes. You need to take care of each other. If you decide to otherwise
okay, how do I approach the conversation about baby nails maintenance? How the approach on Jan?
Like I lulinde ukuthi bana mama ngizakufakela manje izinto ukuhambe kodwa Saturday. And you
Oh,
don't
so ubona wena into zami.
Kulula uyifaka imali yalona.
awudomi kaloku lo yethu uthatha imali uvale imlomo bitch like
Ubona ngathi into zami theni?
iziranga inele zami futhi uthatha imali uvale umlomo mina any type of money mina
Kulula uyifaka imali faka.
mina asoze
Serious. If ungumuntu like ungena responsibilities ufana nami kulula.
Tell me more.
For example, ba let's say ndingenelwe i2000. Sefune ndiyazi ba at least anzidi 1000. 7.
Yo.
okanye 500 exactly
Amakhaya
i50 rand yeba athe xa ekwenza inelo.
wewe uyasithanda isintu
isintu Zuki. Ikhaya funeka kutyiwe, ikhaya funeka livuke. Igusha funeka zitofiwe. Inwele 2000.
yes
Ingabe bhokwe leyo, ingabe gusha, umcimbi aqhubeke.
Sithi
Sibe blessed.
what are we talking about
Umcimbi wenze oko.
Ingxaki klawe kayona ba 2700 uyinika icherry.
Umcimbi wenze oko nje.
Hayibo, izinki.
That's exactly why
Cash build.
that's exactly why ndingafuni ukujola nomuntu ofuneka avuse ikhaya lakho kwabo.
Awunasinto.
Andisoze ndijole nawe usanekhaya lakho kwenu.
Awunasinto.
That's why I need to date an orphan. Umuntu ongenakhaya.
Akanasinto.
Yes.
Akanakhaya.
Imagine ndijolane usenomzikatata ofuna uvuswa.
Zuki.
Nomama ofuna uvuswa.
Ogqiba.
Unomama ozawunqanwa.
Sinqinelana noZuki.
Apha ndingayiva
Uzaba nomama ozawunqanwa.
Ndiyamvuza
And now
uZuki
week. Umakhulu wakho unqaniwe. And now week.
okanye mhlawumbe ushiywe nabantwana bakho kwaba
Hey,
abaninzi.
akanasinto.
Like ushiye
Zuki.
nabantwana bakho abancinci
Zuki.
abanodaba ozawuphinda nqanwe.
Ndinekhaya laka crash build. Ndiyabeka Zuki. Hlahlele ndiyobeka.
Ubeka yinto libekwayo.
Ucash bill kalo yakunika ubeke ndiyothenga
Yakunika
material.
200k.
Ubeka yinto libekwayo isenza ntoni what are we building here?
Uyabiyela
Ikhaya.
ukwazi okay yive yabona ndiva nobathi
Sihlala
ufaka yena
emakhayeni.
Zuki.
Sihlale Kapa.
Anhlali Kapa.
irent apha eCape Town bra
Hayi ke.
irent eKapa
Ngona kuthiwa lihlali Kapa.
Yoni.
Isintu Zuki, isintu.
Bethunani, oh my god.
so uzibona uhlale eKapa up until retirement.
Absolutely 100%. Don't lapha eKapa mhlambi later on in Dubai. Yes.
Umuntu njengami osuke
Oh.
ngqo too traditional, omniki nechance.
No. Uyabona ngoku nindenza ndiba ndingamniki West like kukho amakhaya kumele cash
Let's say I'm happy
Oh, no.
nayo imali nayo ngiwe ithini into ke ngoku xa
Xa
uthe nazi andiphaphi ndingwasezilalini ndikhekhaya lam ndagqiba okanye
Unayo imali.
ndingagqiba but nayo imali
No ndingajola nawe awuphaphi.
ewe
No ndingajola.
But another ufeel umyeni because
Lovely.
uleke uvusa ikhaya uzothini?
Lovely. Ulvuselani.
Uyamshiya uyathini?
That's why ndisithi kwa andisondeli kwakho umuntu ofuneka evuse ikhaya andiyikwa lapha kwa uyotype yam nethi uvuse ikhaya ube nekhaya elifuna uvuswa ube ngumuntu I deal with abantu ababhujulwe ngabazali. If your parents are dead,
Strictly.
yes, if your parents are dead kuma uyitype yam kakhulu and you especially if uzimele and awukho close ne-relatives zakho uyitype yam over net. I love orphans. Uyatshana? Aklahle Yolanda.
thula masike siyisithelele loo ndawo
Kangibhekele kamereni. Yintoni? Yintoni?
Zuku single.
lamanika ahlala ilive
The single nyani? Hani ndibuze nyani? Am I single?
single how long have you been single
Zange ndaba single.
Kodwa zanda kubona uposter like
Angiwaposta amadoda ndayiposta enye DJ yalapha eKapa enkulukazi.
Engubani?
Kabi kangaka.
yo
Banisho lapho.
kanye kanye
wancuma xa buzana.
Do you know I thought this hand was your goal? Kuye ne? I thought you were dating her.
Khabe yajonga.
Uthanda mama umthanda? Ndiyamthanda for wena. Hayi! Imani ngibonise begana na secret.
Hayibo.
Ungaziphinda ungibonise into yaloko mnanzi. Buka. Hamba. Bukela ndabona bami. Imani bazokwenza i-transition. Bayawutshintsha ipijama. Baya ngenye iset yepijama bonani. Okay. It's in a relationship status yakho currently.
single
Usingle njani?
Intoni?
Njani ba usingle?
Njani ba khandithethe mina uthethe uyone. Sifuna uthethe iwe.
Usingle.
Eh?
Usingle.
Hey.
You, lo muntu ujola nenkosi guys, lo ujola naye ayilahle sana. Imagine yakhe yabuza single. Manje
Andikathethe.
ubani sithi hey, into
Ndiyayiprocessa.
say yes or no.
Ndiyaprocessa.
Must be like me, I'm processing an egg.
Exactly, ude washo uyamkhumbula wena. Matter of fact. My guy.
Except in life nje in general ndinika wisdom. Xa unika information uyiprocess even before.
Ezinye izinto ubungaziprocess. Kutheni processwa le okuphendule i-free flow uyajola na.
Ngiyajola.
Ijona
Masiyeke yena.
Bani namntu famous na before yakho?
The most.
I don't know.
Alubona.
Hayibo njani ucela ubona?
I don't know. I ndinabantu famous na. Si famous.
Top 5 yakho.
This is famous.
Dim studying at one.
Yazi my number yakho.
I'm the most out here. It's me.
Shit bro, inamba ezingaka.
It's Mr. Teller.
Mhm.
Shy is famous. Teller's famous.
Big dogs.
I've got Bravo Leroon. I've
Oh,
got
guess what?
my girl Tande Dima.
Nazi album zabo zonke bang. Yeah.
Yeah. Start.
Yeah.
I know that's right.
Undalo duma nabani.
Taylor.
Stelo.
Yeah. Become mute. Eh? No, I'm smart.
How smart.
Umntu papa akho smart.
Upapa no smart is two different things.
In fact, so sticky.
In fact, requested.
Come on.
I tell you to go home.
I tell you to go home and
Ayalina mbulelo.
ikhona nye IQ test. Sifuna uphendula 3 questions.
Okay.
Ungapanic. Just chill.
Yeah? So you'd rather like all in nabantu bazi from her.
Yeah.
Damn bro, that is crazy.
Nihlele nje nenze IQ test.
Chill.
Just to keep the mind fresh.
Kenzuki, please chill. This one is for so okay. So i-birthday sayilanduka bona.
My birthday is on
yeah.
May 11th, 1998.
Oh, bani?
11.
May 11th, 1998.
Birthday yakho sedlule singajola.
Sa sign sakho sini?
Taurus.
Sindoni Taurus.
Andingeni kwalokho guys.
Okay, ke Zukana. Number 1. Yabo? Difficult easy.
Which one of the 5 is least like the other 4?
Time,
Dog, mouse, lion, snake, elephant. Probably lion.
So the proper
which one of the 5 is
Least, I don't know, mouse.
So the proper happy.
Let's do mouse.
Okay.
Because others would do like a bit of damage on you, but a mouse would probably not do that much of a damage. I don't know what you book. Like, let's do another one.
Hey, yabadoda. But I still will get answer because it 20. I just want like
20 and this one are 20.
So 3, 4.
Which number should come next in the series? 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13.
You podmaster, hey podmaster, you know.
Oh, okay. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 5, 5, 3, 8, 8, 5, 13, 13, 8. That's
Ukumbuza la futhi yakubala kuyo.
and then 21 is on the
21.
21. Yonke lento you
On to the next.
lap proceed ne. Which one of the 5 shows makes the best comparison? Peach.
Zonele zwe.
Zonele kwa usikalila mawaza wena.
Yo ngikwazi wey.
Sab ye.
Zwe.
Yeah.
Okay. 4, 6, 2, 5, 1.
Nazuki have trust
And then
in what
you-
Pamento.
1, 5.
I've
answered 4, guys.
Ayokubela le.
Then ezinye think excess asiphela wrong okanye right. Lesibone ezithule
Okay.
bazi
I'm
right now.
faith in what I see.
It's 4 times as old as mine.
Shit.
Ngizothatha i-wild guess. Angistresse ngalento andikho sesikolweni. I'm taking wild guesses in my baby.
Kuze ustudy
Asoze ngalokho ndistresse ngalento khona nenza i-win.
But i-answers azifumana after streaming.
No, it's fine. Akalokho andizostressa ngalento lena.
But I feel
Andizostressa ngalento lena. Uthando inkosi yamaNdebele, where does it come from? It's actually very interesting.
someone buza nje kwe.
Yeah, why is this inkosi? Uyinkosi yantoni?
Mandebela wona
Ngoba namaNdebele.
Yeah, DK already. Oh, your celebrity crush.
My celebrity crush. At the moment, I really like Young Stunna. I don't think he's my let me not say he's my celebrity crush because I like how he sings and I really like him. I met him. I think he's absolutely cool. A celebrity crush, someone that I feel like I would date, or a celebrity that I really like. I really like Sizwe Dlomo. Yes.
10 minutes more.
What do you want to be remembered as? Okanye bye.
Boza yamaboza.
Man. Boza ma boza.
The shit.
Yakubulala ukhalo.
The shit.
Sabuthi ngomso ichayi.
Man incwadi
The
popa.
shit.
Serious but.
No, what I want to be remembered as, I don't know.
Yima. Nehlala background music.
Hate with motivational. This is Zukilamani, all the way from Cape Town.
The theatrics.
A very phenomenal influencer.
Was born in
One of the
Cape
greats in Cape Town.
Town.
Zukilamani. When it's all said and done, what do you want to be remembered as?
Okay, so I want to be remembered
Get
as.
close to the chair.
Okay.
Come here.
Hi everyone. So I want to be remembered as the girl who had audacity, the audacious girl from Cape Town. The audacious girl from Cape Town.
Zuka.
Brave, bold, confident, beautiful, and extremely talented Zukilamani. That's exactly what I want to be remembered as. The bold, brave, beautiful, overly confident, audacious, and extremely talented and gifted, blessed Zukilamani. Thank you.
Yes!
There you have it. There you have it.
Zukilamani.
She wants to remember.
Energy Zuki.
I double bed.
She told me she took force away, turning ghosts.